Garten of BanBan is pretty short. Well, that's good for stream. We can do Garten of BanBan. Have you ever played League? Yes, and it was the worst day of my life. Let's enjoy. Okay, come on. So, what do we do, chat? Okay, can't go through there. Having many arms allows me to help a lot more people. Okay. So, wait, did I have a goal or something? Did it tell me the controls and I ignored it or something? How do I interact with this? E? Was it? Did I just press E? Yeah, okay. E is interact with stuff. Got it. I don't know, try to explore. Yes. We shall. Okay, so we got a vending machine here. Okay. Search for unusual things, I guess. Yeah. I mean, that's pretty unusual. Why is there a big red button? Am I being dumb? Am I supposed to be able to open this door? And I don't know how to open doors. Off to a flying oh, I can run. That's good. Okay. What's on the desk? Ah. Ah. You're much more observant than me. There we go. Come on. Alright. Drone. We got a... The remote requires 2 batteries. Okay. What's this say? Dear Mommy, I am hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make Claire like me. Oh. Cool. Yeah, he's dead. Alright. Poor kid. R.I.P. Alright, so we need some batteries. Creepy vibes, facts. I'm actually... Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared, chat. Can I crouch? No, I don't think so. No, I don't think so. Okay, we need batteries, chat. We need... Aha. How did I just walk by this stuff earlier? Okay, we got 2 batteries. Jesus! Oh! Why did that scare me? It's just a drone. Why did that scare me so bad? Okay. I'm on edge, chat. I'm on edge. Press right mouse to... Press right mouse to teleport to toilet. Control can be accessed at any time in the pause menu. Okay. Oh. Maybe slow down on the Red Bull. Chad, I don't usually drink Red Bull. That's not my energy drink of choice. So I'm flying it around. Wait, can this like do something for me? Go. Did it? Oh. What did you just run into? You just ran into thin air. Maybe the buttons. Did it say what buttons? Am I being stupid? Give command drone. Give teleport drone. Interact. Sprint. Jump. That's all it wrote, chat. Oh! I can press the buttons with this, chat. Yeah, oh, that's what you meant. This guy's too smart. Alright, that button got pressed. Yay, we opened the door. Hey. What you doing? What you looking at, buddy? Oh my god, I hate this game. Attack? Chat, should I get it? Arrgh! And he's gone just like that. The end is here. Why can't I go up here? Is there glass here? BanBan says, sharing is caring. Your pancreas is mine. Pancreases. Okay. Oh. Oh, hey over there, buddy. What you doing? I'm guessing all these rooms are like challenge rooms. Just stay over there, alright? He probably fine. Yeah, he looks chill. He looks chill as hell. What a chill guy. Alright, chat. So, looking in this room, we got Bird Boy over here. Yeah, he's chill. He's chill as hell. We need ball pit closed. So let's go up here. We got an egg. Okay. Oh, is that a button? That's a button. Is that not a button? Hit it again. Do it. Nope, it's not a button. Okay, there's a slide here. I don't really know if we need to be in here yet. Maybe it's... Okay, let's go to a different room. The toy cannot be directly commanded to breakable materials such as a yellow glass. Are there any objectives? It just said, wait, so it can't, oh, it can't be commanded onto those. I don't see any objectives. Let's check the desks. Can't get into there. Oh. Is this like the timeout corner? Oh, I'm gonna need you to come here. No, come here. Come. Oh my god. Fly around it. Now go there. Oh yeah, it's the naughty corner, chat. Now go there. Oh. Someone just joined my Discord call while I'm streaming. Naughty, am I a naughty boy, chat? So that did nothing. So that was a waste of my time. That's awesome. That's just great. Fly through that glass right now. Good. I just felt like it. There's a door back here. Okay, I guess we gotta check out the other rooms. I don't know. Let's check out the other rooms, chat. Ooga booga booga ooga. Alright. So what are you yapping about? We must have to do something in this room, chat. But what? I got that egg. Should I try and give it to the bird? Oh, there's another egg here. It's gonna take that egg. Maybe we need to find all the eggs. It's an egg hunt, chat. Yay! Easter! Text on the wall. Oh. Apilla bird mission. Apilla is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your prize. Oh, okay. Ah. That's what it is, chat. I have to read. That's hard for me. You know, since... What's up, unknown? How you doing? Oh, there's an egg. Chat, I'm gonna wet myself. I'm not gonna lie. I'm sorry if I do. There's definitely one in the boat, chat. Come on, there has to be one. Yep. Oh my goodness. Behind the bird. Oh, the text. Oh, behind the tree. Come on now. Don't make it so obvious. There should have been one there, chat. There should have been. Aha. How many is that? I need one more, I think, chat. One more. Hey, why don't you just gobble these up? Maybe in the slide? I didn't see any in the slide earlier. Oh, at the bottom, maybe? Yesterday, Fillion recognized me. Yeah, I know. That was funny. Oh my god. I see it. How do I get it? I can't crouch, I don't think. Yeah, I know. That was pretty cool how she recognized me. Maybe the drone can get it? Yo, drone. Come here. Yo, can you listen to me? This drone's getting on my nerves. Did you really just run into that? I doubt it can't. Oh, button? I don't think it's on or something. Nope. Look at the slide. You see a blue thing? I see the egg in there, chat. I see the egg in there, but I can't grab it. Oh. Oh. That thing. Okay. Nice. Is that because I have the blue key card? It must be. What did that do for me though? Maybe I can go down the slide? Oh, it turned that button on. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. There we go. Yes. Thank you. Alright, bird. Eat. Wait, why is it eating the eggs? Don't birds lay eggs? No, you're helping. Unless you... Well, I mean, you can if you want, or you cannot. It's up to you. Wait, what did it say? Where did it say the reward will be? Also, I don't know why that's... That's some ugly bird, FX. Where did it say the reward will be? I wasn't paying attention, chat. Oh yeah, you can help if you want. I don't mind. Wait, did the bird crap out the reward? No. Wasn't there. It said there was a reward somewhere. Oh, I wasn't paying attention, chat. This is why I have to pay attention. The beak? Maybe. Oh, is it in the beak? Oh, chat. This is why I need help. Alright, let me just grab that out of your mouth. Thank you. Now just stay there. Nice chat. Nice chat. Nice chat. Why did I make it drive? Teleport. Thank you. Go. Go. Thank you. Yeah, you stay over there, buddy. Nice. Okay, we got a hammer. We've got a hammer. Hammer. Oh. The pool? Nice. Okay. What is this? This is, Garten of BanBan. This is not, no, it's not a hot tub stream. It will never be a hot tub stream. Alright, chat? The sooner we understand no hot tub stream, the better everyone's life will be, alright? Alright. Alright. So. Why did I come in here? What was my color? I don't know. Maybe I just... No. What's he say? Pila Bird says, laughter is the best medicine, so make sure to smile. Thanks, buddy. Okay. Oh, do I have this? Oh, I do. Okay. What? Oh, something's moving, chat. And you shouldn't move. Stay there. What is that? That seat just... Oh. Oh. What? Come back. What game this? Garten of BanBan. What happened, chat? Oh, maybe I have to jump onto the seat. Oh, I barely. Oh my god. Can barely fit on the seat. Oh, what's that? It's probably something fine. What? Do not knock me off, or I'll crap my pants. Alright. Cool, 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 cool. We're over. Nice. Now what do we do, chat? I want to play with the hole. Oh, whole bird. But everyone left me. What? Everyone have party without me. Miss Mason, see me but go. I am scared because hole is loud and my friends scream in it, but bird is funny. Who is this guy's English teacher, dude? Bro, your eyebrows are so damn big you can give hair to every human alive. Dude. There's about 3 hairs in each of my eyebrows, by the way, chat. Just letting you know that. What is my color? What? Oh. Is that... Ah. That's BanBan? BanBan's red. Oh, I changed it from red. Wait, is BanBan red, chat? No, BanBan's green. I'm looking at BanBan right now. He's green. Red looking at... Alright. You're red. One of these ones are red. This one's the red one, I think. He's not BanBan. Wait, this isn't BanBan? Who's BanBan, chat? This guy? No, he's not BanBan for sure. Yeah, yeah. One of them is red, chat. Is one of them red and one of them's blue? That's not BanBan. Damn. Dude, who's BanBan? The red... Oh, the red guy's BanBan? Ah, so this is Clark then, for sure. He looks like a Clark. Alright. The one with the party hat is BanBan. With the party hat? Oh, this guy has a party hat on? Ah, BanBan. And BanBan's red. Right, chat? So this one is... Oh, chat, I forget all the colors. I gotta go look at them or something. Jumbo Josh? Looks like Clark to me. Yeah, okay, Jumbo Josh. Banbulina is white. That must be Banbulina. Okay. Is this game scary? I think so, yeah. Dude, who is... Dude, what color's Rufus here, dude? What color's Rufus? I think this one is, yellow? Is the jellyfish yellow? I'm gonna guess, and then whatever color's left is what this guy is. Blue? Wait, what? Is there another color? Oh, there's orange. Oh no, yellow, blue. What? Wait, one of them's blue. Oh, wait, one of them's blue? Stinger Flynn is orange. Which one is Stinger Flynn? This one? Cause oh yeah, this one. I think you're right. Wait, is this the one that's supposed to be orange? Oh. Yes, chat. Thank you, chat. Whoa. What? What? Chat. 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 What do I do? Chat. What do I do? He's coming. Chat. Chat. I'd rather kill my... Yo, you stay right there. What are you doing? Yo! Stay! Chat, you... Chat, I panicked. Chat, I panicked. I was about to, actually jump around him, but, the real Angry Bird, alright. But, chat, I panicked, and I, accidentally flung myself off the edge. Oh, God, chat. Wait, what? I can tell why you have no hairline. All your hair goes to your eyebrows, dude. Chat, my hairline is pristine. I just have it covered up right now. Chat, that scared the shit out of me. Alright. Get 10. Oh my god, he's coming already? Ah! Wait, come here. Yeah, what do you want, buddy? Huh? Yeah! Okay. Maybe look around more. Dude, go. Go. Hey! Yo, move, drone! Did it just miss? Drone. Hit the button, man! Wait, I can sprint, I forgot. Hey! Where do I go, chat? What? Why am I? What? No! Button? Oh! You're right! Oh, button! You're right. Damn it! Samosa. Yeah, that was a horrible jump scare. Yeah, the bird is creepy as hell. Chat, do you like samosas? I love myself a samosa, chat. Alright, drone, I'm gonna need you to hit the button this time, alright? Alright, ready? Yeah, what you want? Huh? Yeah. Look at me, huh? Oh my god, I didn't think you could get me! That's so stupid. Get me right back in. Oh my god. Why can he get me on his way over, dude? Sorry, chat, I'm selling. This time... I'll stand a bit away from him this time, but I'll look him dead in his eyes because I'm not afraid of him. Ready? Come on, drone, please. What you want, huh? What you want? I'm out of here, bro. You missed? Why did you miss? Hit the damn button. Yeah, come on. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Bird is down, chat. The bird is down. Thank God. Dude. Oh my God, I hate that bird. Yeah, I hope you're smiling down there. Yeah, L bird facts. That jump scare was fucked when that happened. Yeah, dude, I didn't expect you could jump me from across the thing. Alright, chat. I now have 2.3 channel points from disrespecting him. Yeah, get him out. Look at the wall before you exit. This one? The wall next to the door. Oh. Chat, should I camp this bird and like wait for him to come up, and every time he comes up, I should just knock him back down, and this will be my whole life until the bird gives up and stays down there for the rest of his life. Sorry. You need to get your lids, your kids. Wait, I'm a parent? What did I just press? Uthman Adam. Montreal. Madrid. Boarding time, Class E. Present at check-in. I'm ready for someone to look down this hall, chat. What was that for? So I got a passport. I need to get my kid. I can time someone out for 5 minutes, but it won't. I don't want to waste it. It's a waste. Yeah, just save it for Jay. Bottom? Over here, chat? Whoa, I thought I just fell through the floor or something. Like this thing? I pressed this thing. Button on wall. It's not on yet. Is it? Is it on? Oh, shoot. It might be on. Yo, press the button, drone. Rather raid someone? That's smart. You can control the raid today. Chat, I want to start doing raids after every stream. Just cause why not? Why wouldn't we? Alright. I pressed the button. I'm saying 5k to make him choose League or Flicker. Okay. So we're not playing League. If you recommend League, I'm not playing. I'm sorry. Do not waste your channel points on League, because I won't touch League. I hate League. League ruined my whole day. Okay, anyways. What do I do? You don't want to set too close. Stand. Stand. What? Doing raids is W facts. Wait, what? Wait, sorry, I didn't understand what you meant, Zilia. Stand too close. To what? Play League of Legends, you'll find people like you. Yeah, get them out. Shoot. I thought I heard a beep. Yeah, I thought I did too. I think I was shouting though. Are there any more buttons to press? Yeah, maybe there's more buttons. Oh, it's like neck crack. There we go. All right. Let's see. My uncle plays League, and even he says not to play the game. Yeah, you know why? Because it makes people want to die. It made me want to die, and I played for about an hour. No, something was supposed to happen. Did it glitch? Oh, did it glitch? Please tell me it didn't glitch. There's an orange button. Oh. Oh, yeah. Sorry. There is an orange button here. And I think something really bad is gonna happen. Should I run? Should I run? Should I run? Should I run? I wanna run. Okay, no, it's okay. Oh my god. Dude, League is an acquired taste. That's for sure. Chad, I thought BanBan was about to come up and start kissing me on my lips. Yay, chapter 1. What? Samosa. What? Where am I going, chat? Why is it so dark? Yo, Jose! Yo, Jose! Chat, what do? Do I jump? Oh. He's the water ball going to his head to keep those eyebrows alive. What does that even mean, dude? I'm sweating, chat. Oh. Thanks for playing. Get the sequel here. Oh, that's it already, dude? Good game, chat. Good game. Good game. Should we play all the sequels? Told you it was short? Yeah, it was short.